Mexican beer in
Tecate, para aquellos que quieren morir a menos uno.
Tecate, para los que van y cagan.
Cagan. In Spanish it means those that go shit. And it sounds like Manicugan.
Which is the name of the lake. Which is where we're gonna perish.
Do you want to rock?
Do I want to rock?
Yeah.
No, that's okay.
I just wanna rock, DJ.
Oh, you look so gay. Especially with that shirt on. What is it, sweet love? Yeah, this is leaking. Oh, you can put that piece of wood higher here, the one you're not using. No, because you're getting me the rain, love. What are you?
What are you doing?